This is the other half of the Y-axis linear bearing plate assembly. We are going to be using the two 3/8 plates with the 080 plate. We need 6 of the 1010 1-inch extrusions, which are pre-tapped, 3/4 20 flange nuts, 8 of the T-nuts. We need 11 of the 1/4 20 1-inch hex bolts, 3 of the small axle spacers, 2 of the medium, 1 of the large, 4 small axles, 2 large axles, and 10 bearings. We can set aside the large cover plate. We'll use that in the final step. For right now, we'll go ahead and take this, orient him so that this bubble is towards the left. Stack the plate on top. Go ahead, 4 outside. Go ahead and populate with bolts. Flip him over. Small axle with 1 bearing. Small axle, 1 bearing. Small axle, 2 bearings. Small axle, 2 bearings. Large axle, 2 bearings. Large axle, 2 bearings. Large axle spacer. 3 of the small axle spacers. And 2 of the medium size spacers and the bottom axles. That will complete the installation of all the bearings and axles. Grab the top cover plate, orient him correctly, set him on top, push him down. These guys get 1/4 20 T-nuts. And they get the 1-inch extrusions located in those corners. Got to flip them over. Install the rest of the 1/4 20 bolts, the remaining holes. Flip it back over one more time. The center 3, get the flange nuts. And the remaining there we go. This flange, this guy actually goes here. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Gotta line these guys up. Once again, setting the threads towards the outside edge. And that is what the completed plate should look like.